You see my video last day. This is the light that you will need to fly outside at night. What's up guys, I'm Jairus Arena / J Pilot, and today I'm gonna review this night light. This light is very small and light, and it got 3 modes. First, long press to open. This is the rainbow one. This is the flash. And this is the all light. I picked this rainbow because it acts like all white. Barely notice this thing. All of those are you will need to fly outside at night. And let's get to the unboxing. Whoa! This is the packaging. Comes no instruction. And let's open. And comes with a small rubber band, a big one, and the charger, and of course the light. Okay, so this is how you put. You need one rubber band. There's a notch right here, those ones, and you hook the rubber bands and put it beneath the drone, attached to the other hook. There you go. Most of you are wondering, it is rechargeable, and there's a notch right here or a cover. And we're gonna use that to plug our USB cable. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.